All right, guys. Now let's go ahead and convert our text to an audio in PC. Now, if you have your browser open, go ahead and type in clipchamp.com on your web browser. Now, after typing that in, you are going to notice different options. So at first, it's going to ask you to, you are going to see an option on top for sign in and sign up. So go ahead and sign up. I usually sign up making use of my Gmail. So I have already signed up. Now to start a new project, you can see where it's written. There are different things. Just scroll down a little bit, and you're going to say you see where it says create a new video. So go ahead and click on create a new video. Now this is also like CapCut, so this is going to give you the same feeling. And all you need to do right now, once you're on this area, all you need to do, you notice where it says record and create, right? Click on that, the second option on the top, and just go ahead and hover down. You will notice where it says text to image. Now let's click on the text to image. Let me move this down so that you can see, or let me move it down here. So after clicking on the test image, automatically it creates this file on your timeline, and then it allows you to write your image here, write your text here, and you can see on this top area you can choose different language, you can choose different voice, and you can actually test the voice. Now, if you click on hear voice, you will hear what the voice is saying. But now you notice we do not have anything written. Right? If you are actually okay with that, you can settle with it. But if you are not okay with that, just click on this drop down and you are going to see different names appear. Now, the only issue with this is that it doesn't actually put or write the name if you are talking about a male or a female. So the only thing is just going to put different name and you can enter it. So you can see guy, play. Now, if you are satisfied with it, you can go ahead and settle with it. And also, you can click here to choose different languages. Currently, it's set on English United States, and you can choose Filipino, French, France, and different languages. So, click on play. All right, guys, I do not know what that means, but that is actually French. Now, all you need to do is to go ahead and type in the word that you want. So, I'm going to say, all right, guys, so I'm done typing, and you can click on preview to preview your sound. So it's going to see everything like. All right, guys, you notice you just spoke French. I do not actually understand French. And you can actually click on this drop down to choose a different language. But actually, once you're satisfied with what you want, just click on save. If you click on save, it's going to pop up on this area. Just wait for it. It's saving up. Alright guys, so it's complete, and if you move around, you can see where the test actually ended. So all you need to do right now is to add a video, because without adding a video, you cannot export this, because if you click on export, you can see video quality and all that. So all you need to do is actually add a video. So I'm going to click on add a video. Because I do not actually have any video to import, I am going to look for color. There is no color here. Let's see, browse talk. Um, you know what? I think I have an image on my mobile, so I'm going to browse that and then I'm going to use that. So I'm just going to click on, I only want to have visuals, but it already on audio. Music file. Hold on, guys. I do not want audio. So I just want to add something to the background. Okay, yeah, this is an image, and I think I've seen a green screen. So, guys, always make sure you use green screen whenever you are working on stuff like this, so that you can easily remove on almost any video. You can easily remove green screen. Click on Add to Timeline. It has been added. Just drag it to the end. Let's make sure we have it to the end of the video. Make sure you have it from beginning to the end of the video. I think the video actually ended here. Yeah. And then I'm going to go to the beginning of the video, and it also ended there. So guys, we are good to go. So now all you need to do is to click on export. And you can export your video with any file. You can say this HD or 4K UHD, whichever file you want. I think is okay. So just go ahead and save up your video. And after you save up your video, you can always reuse this on any software. Just remove the background color and the audio is good to go. But if you do not want to remove the background color also, there is actually something that you need to do. You can just go online and search video to audio, video to audio converter. Let me type in. So with video to audio converter, it's going to convert your video to an audio. So all it's going to do is it's going to remove the audio. It's going to remove the video and leave the audio. So it's like extracting the video. So it's actually okay if you use this. It's going to do it for you, or you can just use any editing tool to remove your background. But then, guys, this is all I have for today's video. If you have any issue doing this, let me know on the comment section. This is actually very easy. I have taken much time to actually explain this, and I think this is easy enough. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If it is, don't forget to smash like, and I will see you on my next video. Stay safe and